How are you? Monday. It is Motivational Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend. Wherever you may be, I know lots of graduations and weddings are coming up, so I know it could be a really very, very busy time of year for a lot of you. Am I crooked? Do I look crooked? Okay, let me just check this for a second. I think I look a little crooked. Well, now I'm really crooked. Bear with me. I thought I had this all straightened out. Okay, I think that's a little bit better, except for the tree that's going to eat my head one of these days. Anyway, today's Motivational Monday, so let's talk about motivation. So today I'm going to talk about, it is the second half of the year. We're into June, beginning of June. Can you believe it? 6 months, poof, gone. And many people make, I don't like to say the word resolutions. I think that's a yucky word. I'd rather say intentions. Make all those great intentions for the new year. And look at now, we're halfway over. And have you gone back by any chance and looked at that list? Did you look at your list? What's on there? Have you accomplished any of it? I know I haven't. I haven't accomplished some of the intentions that I had made. And so I got to hustle. I got to do the hustle, baby, for the second half of the year. So I want to talk to you today about a couple of things and something that's been brought to my attention that I hear from women. I was just on a dating summit, and I get a lot of questions from women after that when I'm on one of those interview summits about how they should dress, how they should look, what they should wear on a first date, all of that kind of stuff. The fact that they're not getting any responses from their profile is another biggie. And women tend to start getting really upset about this and really to the point of being bitter. Get a little bitter Betty, you know what I'm talking about. And get really upset that they're not getting the results. They think, oh, this doesn't work. There are no good men out there, blah, blah, you name it. I've heard it. And I hear it from the guys, too. They get very upset if they're not getting the responses back from the women that they're really interested in. So, this next half of the year, why don't you take a look at what your profile looks like? Okay, I'm not, an expert in this by a long shot, but maybe it's time, and if you can't see the forest through the trees, maybe get a professional dating coach or whatever to take a look at your profile. But more importantly than what the written word is, because we all know, ladies, men are visuals, they like their pictures, that you want to make sure that your pictures are adequately representing you. They're not a bunch of old fuddy-duddy pictures. They're not, they don't look like a picture that you would use for, say if you were in a firm and you have all those very staid looking pictures on the about page. If you're in a job situation, you don't want that. That's not what I'm talking about. You want to have some fun pictures. You want to have pictures in different outfits, your best colors, get your hair done, your makeup done, all that kind of stuff. Don't be wearing your sunglasses in all your pictures either, or hats. No, that's not a good thing either. But maybe really take a good look and see what you're doing there. And maybe it's time to give it a little overhaul, ramp up. And that might also then work into your business wardrobe too. What's going on there? Have you been wanting to make a change? Have you been neglecting that part of your life by making a change? Are you getting passed over for promotions, perhaps? And it's maybe time to rethink what's going on with your look. We all get sort of in that rut and stuck in the rut, stuck in the muck and the mire sometimes, and we just want to do what's easy, we're too tired, whatever. But it might be time, since it is the 6-month mark, to take a look at all that. in are we at a spot in the year that you're really happy with as far as what's going on in your life? So, and then if it's not in your business life, it could be then with your personal wardrobe. What's going on there? Your after work life, if you're, already committed, so forth. Are you wearing jeans and t-shirts and yoga pants all the time? Have you not put a dress on in 2 years? Stuff like that. You might want to take a look there. And it's a good time because a lot of time businesses will tend to slow a little bit during the summer. People have more opportunities to take maybe a couple extra days off here and there. So this is a good time to really start to kind of evaluate what's going on. And I know I usually talk about it at the beginning of the year, but I think it's important to talk about in the middle of the year too, to get motivated to do that, because in a couple of months, we're going to be in a brand new season. It's still going to be 100 and some odd degrees outside, but we're going to be into a new season. And do you really want to start a new season in all that freshness? And even if you're starting a new job, with sort of trailing behind that look that is not right for you, it's not a good look for you, or you don't know how to develop a personal brand, a style, a look of your own that makes it really simple and easy. And that's where I come in. That's where I can really help you. To make it easy, not complicated, so that you're able to go to your closet in the morning and find out what your day is going to be like ahead of time, and you're going to have the outfit right in there that's going to be absolutely perfect. And the last but not least thing that you want to do is really do a thought process on hair and makeup. Yeah. Is it time to check in with your stylist, revamp your style, color your hair maybe if you've got the squiggly grays going on, and tame them down? Maybe cut your hair, whatever it is. Then this is also a good time of year to start thinking about that too. What do you want to go into the fall looking like in the second half of the year? And same with your makeup. If you don't know how to do your makeup, don't be freaking out and beat yourself up about it. A lot of women do not know how to do makeup. We are not innately enabled with a makeup brush in our hand, just like a lot of women can't cook either. But then men can't change a tire. So it all goes hand in hand. Learn how to do it. Work with an expert that can work with you, your skin type, your shape face, your eyes, your coloring, and teach you the abilities and teach you that, a few simple tricks on how to ramp up your abilities so that you can absolutely do a really pretty face yourself and not have a lot of stress about it. And just get it done. I've been watching tons of makeup tutorials. I am addicted to them. Oh my goodness. It's worse than like watching Game of Thrones. Those makeup tutorials. Well, of course the girls are all like 12 and they're flawless skin and the makeup is flawless. It boggles my mind how far we've come with makeup lately. Now, I'm not saying you have to do that, because that is like, that's some work, and as you get to be a bit older, you can't be wearing that stuff. It's yellow mascara just doesn't work at work, does it now? But I think it's all beautiful, because it's color, and I love it when they like literally go face down into that makeup pot and it just looks amazing. But anyway, learn how to do some simple things that will really enhance your features and make you feel better and more confident. Okay, because that should have been on your list perhaps for the new year, to really build up that confidence, especially if you are in the dating arena. That's going to be half your battle, is if you're a confident woman. Okay? Thank you for the thumbs up. I like that. So if you know somebody that could use this little pep talk, please share it. I'm Lori Ann Robinson, fashion consultant, live from Los Angeles, California. Came on a little bit later tonight. And health and wellness entrepreneur. But I just wanted to check in with you all and see where you're at. this June 5th as we're going into the second half of our year. So anyway, I hope you all have a great evening. I'll be back again tomorrow, most likely. And as I said, please share if you think you know somebody that this might be coming at the perfect time for them. Okay? I know change is hard. I get it. I know. But, you could take baby steps. It doesn't all have to be, Rome was not built in a day. You don't have to do it all in a day. Just take some baby steps and start ramping it up a little bit if you're not getting the results that you want. Okay? All right, everyone. Have a good Monday evening. I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.